Okay, now let us continue with the previous video. Now the advantages of relational data model. The advantage is it is having conceptual simplicity. It is structurally independent. That means change in the structure does not affect the data access. The design implementation, that means it is providing both data independence and structural independence, and it is having ad hoc query capability. Okay, if we see the disadvantages of relational data model, that means it is having hardware overheads. That means we need powerful hardware and data storage devices if you want to implement the relational data model, and the ease of design can lead to bad design. Then the fourth type of data model comes in the form of object-oriented data model. Okay, as the name indicates, here the entire data model depicts the real world object called entity and constraint on them, followed by the relationship among the objects. Okay, so this object-oriented model follow the basic concept of object-oriented programming. Okay, if we see, it is focusing on object and object identifier, which is depicting the real world entity. The attributes and methods. Attributes are nothing but the characteristics and the different methods what we are using. Then comes the class. Class is nothing but the group of objects, and then comes class hierarchy and inheritance. Hierarchy, class hierarchy and inheritance, wherein the object of one class is acquiring property of the other class. Then the last one comes in the form of object relational data model. This object relational data model is simply a combination of relational data model, and it extends some basic object oriented concept. If we see the advantages, it is having the object view. That means we are able to see the different view of the object. We can obtain the object inheritance, and we can go for solving the data complexity by using the concept of object integration. Thank you.